It's been a month since the Pahalgam terror attack happened. India Today team is in Pahalgam just to check what has changed since in this beautiful valley, whether things have moved forward or still it is all about the security situation and the search and combing effort for the perpetrators of the Pahalgam attack. We are right now on the Pahalgam Chandanwadi road. This is the place from, in fact, if you go down, there is the Betab Valley, the famous valley, and situation is such that this is the cutoff point. This is the last point where, as a civilian or as a press personnel, you can reach, because beyond this, we've been told that there is a non-stop combing operation, search and sanitization effort that has been ongoing from the last many days. Same is the situation if you move to that side of Pahalgam, the Adu Valley. That has also been cut off for any civilian movement. Only people who live on that side are being allowed. So this is the kind of situation that Pahalgam is facing right now. Obviously, not a lot of tourist presence. In fact, we came here, we found absolutely no tourists. It is still a ghost town. The market, very few shutters are up, maximum shutters down. Hotels are empty. But obviously, the authorities are now completely focusing on having the right security environment for the Amarnath Yatra. That is the next huge security challenge, considering that what happened in Pahalgam has absolutely changed the complete security dynamics and the threat perception, because now people feel that if tourists can be attacked, then obviously yatris are a target. And to secure the Amarnath Yatra, this area domination, massive area domination exercise is happening, where security forces, army, police, CRPF are on the ground, as they say, boots on the ground. And this forest area, massive one, there is a search and combing operation that is underway. And we've been told that it will continue to be like this. The security agencies, forces trying to get to the Pahalgam attack perpetrators, because the time they are out, they are a constant danger, a threat. So that really is the security situation. It seems that not a lot will change in Pahalgam, at least till the Amarnath Yatra is over. It will remain a town where you will find lots and lots of security, very less tourism, and complete focus is to ensure a peaceful and secure Amarnath Yatra. Camperson Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Chandanwadi for India Today.